So here it is. I've allowed my coworkers into talking me into videotaping this while I open it. It just arrived, and this will be my probably last act of using my Note 7, which I love, regardless of what the risk is to myself and my family's personal safety. I love this phone, so I have high hopes that this Pixel XL will be just as good a phone. And maybe not catch fire. That would probably be a bonus. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. You have to bear with me. I've never in my life done an unboxing video. I find them rather odd. Ooh, oh look. Look at that. My personal Google Assistant is always ready to help. I could tell you some things about that personal assistant. Okay, there's that. And here's the instruction book. Oh, look, it even has an introduction to the personal assistant, music. Oh, and the little thank you note, isn't that nice? And some safety information. Alrighty. It comes with a charger cord. Oh, look, looks like it has the same connector that my Note 7 had, which is good since I already bought a car cord for that. And it has a little converter just like my Note 7 did as well. There it is. Okay, so let's see what it looks like underneath this. First, we gotta figure out how to get it off. Oh, I see. It's stuck to the back. And it's well covered. La. Okay. So there it is. See if it's got any battery to it. It's gonna wake up and talk to me. Maybe. There it is. Feels about the same as my Note 7. Seems like it's about the same size. Feels like it's about the same weight. Doesn't have the edge screen on it like my Note 7 with the curved down. So that feels a little different. But other than that, kind of odd not having anything across the bottom there. I'm used to the Samsung products with the home button down there. Well, it's taking its time waking up. Oh, it's going to sing to me. Oh, there's a guy. I think I'll pause this and I'll add some more to it after it gets loaded and going.